Hello everyone, my name is Rebecca Legon and I'm really excited for you to discover the C-Leg. Designed with everyday mobility, it enables you to walk with confidence and independence. In this video, you'll get to see what you can expect during your trial fitting and how the C-Leg for over 30 years uses the most advanced microprocessor technology, responding to you in real time for a more smoother and natural movement. During your trial fitting, your prosthetist will tell you all about the benefits and they will set it up to your gait, your pace and your activity level. Now, let's take a closer look. Thank you for taking the time to learn all about the C-Leg. If you think that the C-Leg is for you, I really encourage you to talk to your prosthetist and arrange a trial fitting, because experiencing it for yourself really is the best way.